which can fulfill one need. In order to do that, we have a group of 5 individuals, and they are Ahmed Danish, Al-Amir Muhammad, Al-Habib Muhammad, Ali Father, and myself, Adnan. We were approached by the client. As our company says, Castle Rock innovations are known for effect and engineering design. Okay, our client, the function requirement set by the client was given: lightweight, durable, easy to use, safe, and comfortable, and lifespan should be 7 years. Okay, this is my first basic sketch. As you can see, it does not represent anything with our ergonomics needs. So, it's a basic chair. Comfortable, it's not that comfortable. Yes, it's light, and it's made with a wood. This is my second concept. As the duration of the time of period, as I evolve, my sketches evolve. And you can see, we introduced a lever, which can adjust the height. And I emphasize more on the comfort zone. And then I also introduced some wheels. So it can affect all our ergonomics needs. Certain features to be considered in ergonomics. So, all of the chairs does not fit for different kind of works. Their suitable dimension has to be given to them. The rule of thumb for the ergonomics chair, the seat height is about 1/4 of a body height. And like I said, all the chairs have different features. For example, London chair cannot be used as a computer operator chair. Okay, now I will introduce my project manager, who can intervene more on these points.
Hello everyone, my name is Anish Ahmed. Well, as he said, the functional requirements that were set by the client were as follows. Taking that into account, we set some constraints, for example, physical, operational, ergonomics, environmental, and then we did some research and we made our concepts. We just saw Adnan's concept. This is my concept. As you can see, it has a springy base for more back and lumbar support, so it's comfortable. We took that into account. It has a lever, so you can adjust the height. If you're working on a desk that's not on the same level, you can adjust the height of your chair. It has wheels, so it can make movement on surfaces easier. And obviously, it's made of a comfortable cushion material because we paid much emphasis to comfort with respect to the chair. So it was made of comfortable leather material. And Mohammed will now explain this concept.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Al-Amir. Today I'll be introducing my design concept. I'll basically start with what I was thinking for, and later on I'll be showing you what I ended having. Basically I was thinking of a chair that has more than one function. A chair can be used for office purposes. So in order to have this chair, I had to add some features. One of them was the adjustable back. To have this feature is just to avoid the back pain. Another thing is the hard rest, so you can adjust it and it's attached, so you can remove it as well, no matter how tall or short you are. And wheel, so you can move it easily anywhere and at any time. One more thing is the aluminum. So by having the aluminum material, you can save money. It's cheap and it's lightweight and durable and recyclable. Another thing I considered was the shape. By having a good shape, the client will be attracted to the product. By adding all these features, I ended up having an expensive product. So this is the only thing was in the product. And right now I'll give the chance to Mohammed Al-Harbi to explain about his concept.
Thank you. Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about my initial design and how my initial design of a model chair and how it affects the final design. My design has several features. First of all, adjustable height. so you can move it easy, so you can adjustable height, so you can put it the way you like. Second, it's comfortable and prevent the back pain, so you can sit as much as you want without having any trouble of back pains. Third, it's cheap and all people can afford it. Fourth, it's made of light materials. That means it's made of light materials. That means you can carry it and move it whenever you want. Finally, it's environment friendly, which make it by aluminium, and it doesn't made by wood. So that wasn't affect the environment in any way while making the chair. And now I'm going to give a chance to Ari to explain his design.
Hey guys, so now I'm going to talk about my initial design concept. So the features of this of my initial concept are it's very flexible, very adjustable. So any each of our clients, any type of client can easily sit in it. They have no problem with that. Very comfortable. They have the seats for increased comfortability. The accessories I added were a built-in lamp, which is basically a very bad idea, as I've been told. The laptop holder, which so that you don't need to reach out to your desk if you want to work on your laptop. So this is basically, so after combining all of our designs together, this is basically our final design. The features of our design, final design are that it has an adjustable headrest for support of your neck. It has adjustable height, so you can adjust it to any height that you require. There's no problem with that. There are very comfortable cushions. There's this material called pillow packages, which are very cheap, very comfortable, very recyclable. We also have a sliding cup. We also have adjustable armrests. Adjustable armrests which move horizontally, so that you can just push them aside, and you have more space to work on. We also have a sliding cup holder, which comes right out of the armrest. So you can slide right out, and if you have any beverage, coffee, anything at all, you don't have to reach out to your table. You just have it right there on your chair. We also have a removable laptop holder this time, so that you can also use your armrest. And removable laptop holder, so you don't actually have to reach out to your desk. The main features of this design are the entertainment knob. It has a built-in massager. The built-in massager is with just a push of a button. You can have a very nice massage. And you also have a wireless headphone that you get with the chair. And there's this USB port that you can connect your USB to. So any songs that you have on that USB, it will be played wirelessly on your headphones. So that's basically our design. So this is an explorer view of our design, and you can see everything that I told you is in there. These are the multi-views, and so basically I'm going to hand it over now to Danish to talk about the conclusion.
As you can see on the multi-view dimensions, so the basic idea in our concept was when we were approached by our client, they gave us a list of requirements, and they said that with these requirements, they want that their product should be better than the competitor. We were not aiming for world standards. So by taking that into account, we made the SGS, the PDS, the decision matrix, and then we made our final concept by taking all of those functional requirements, constraints, and all. So we tried to fulfill them as much as we can, and we made a recyclable product that was lightweight, that's durable, that has a higher life expectancy than what the client has actually asked for. And if you work on that, you basically get the bill of material. We can explain the entire concept of our chair being recyclable by looking at all these materials. If you look at aluminium, it is recyclable. We did some research about the type of cushion that we should use for it to be recyclable, and we came up with pillow pack green air cushions. We use recyclable plastic for other components of the chair, and then finally cylindrical material. Right. When we come to comparing our concept with that of the competitor, what we've done is that the life expectancy of our chair is more than that of the competitor. Our chair is recyclable while the competitor's is not. Secondly, our chair is more lightweight, it can support more loads, and its height dimensions are less, so when it comes to maintenance, it does not cost as much. The only problem that we had with designing our chair was that with all these features, because we emphasized on comfort and everything, was that we could not find an actual balance between comfort and cost. So it was more expensive than the competitor's best. So what we did was that we allowed installments to be paid on the chair so everyone can actually afford it. So that's about it. Thank you.
Any question? Do you have any question? Yes.
Your chair has some built-in lamp and USB plugger, so I think it's going to be expensive, right?
Yes, it is. That's what we said, that because we could not find, because we emphasize so much on comfort, we could not find the balance between comfort and cost.
So we offered at least.
We offered installments to be paid on the price of the chair, so you can actually afford it, and you don't have to worry that much about the cost. Because it's actually a world-class product, even though we're not saying it.
Any more questions? I have two conditions you want to consider. Yeah. You can see that the stand of the base doesn't go